Hey everyone, Parker here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to dive into one of my all-time favorite photography composition techniques, frame within a frame. In this video, you're going to learn what it is, how to use it, and I'll share multiple images for inspiration. Plus, if you stick around until the end, I've got a pro tip on using this technique to create truly unique and amazing images. If you're ready, let's do it. So what exactly is the frame within a frame photo composition technique? Well, it's a super duper simple but powerful photo composition technique in which you can emphasize your subject by placing a frame around it like this or this. Now, whether you're shooting wildlife, portraits, landscapes, or anything else, using frame within a frame has three powerful benefits. It can instantly draw attention to your subject, guiding your viewer's eye directly to it. It can introduce an additional layer to your photo, making it stand out from other composition techniques. It can also result in a more creative and dynamic composition compared to more common rules like the rule of thirds, golden ratio, or leading lines. Now, frame within a frame can also be a fantastic storytelling tool. For instance, in this shot of a screech owl perched on the edge of a tree hollow, the natural frame adds context and depth to the story of the image. You can also get creative with framing your subjects in landscapes, as I did for this image. So for this, I used the foreground trees to frame the gorge and butte in the middle ground. Now, the most challenging part of using frame within a frame outdoors is finding natural frames, which can be less common than man-made options. For example, windows and doors are everyday man-made objects you can use for framing. You can also use mirrors to frame your subjects, or the backs of chairs to frame someone, or something you want to highlight. Now, for something more unique, look for objects that simplify your composition, like these jackets, or the cutout in this fence. Now, this man-made tunnel in this image perfectly frames the scene beyond, drawing the viewer deeper into the photo. In nature, look for arches or caves to frame your subjects and to add depth and interest naturally. Now, here's the bonus pro tip for elevating your photos using frame within a frame. Try incorporating multiple frames within one shot. Think of it as a frame within a frame within another frame. For example, in this shot, I interlocked a couple's fingers and zoomed in to frame their hands and her wedding shoes between their bodies. Then I noticed a sailboat in the background and positioned it as another framing layer. Now, this next image is one of my favorites. The doors frame the couple perfectly, but if you look closer, you'll notice a second layer of framing from the walls between them and the outer walls, creating a complex yet cohesive composition. But here's the thing about frame within a frame. It's easy to use, but finding the right opportunity, especially in nature, can be tricky. And let's be honest, there are only so many times you can use windows, doors, or other man-made objects. That's why it's important not to force this or any other composition technique. Instead, explore the other 30+ photography composition rules to keep your images fresh and compelling by watching this photo composition playlist next. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.